Transport for Wales, we've been busy making sure our trains and stations are safe for our customers. In line with social distancing measures, we've adapted the ways we work to help you travel safer. You must wear a face covering and put it on before travelling. For contactless travel, we recommend buying your ticket before your journey. You can purchase tickets online or on our app. At stations, we've installed barriers between ticket vending machines, ticket offices, and in front of mobile ticket buying posts to help keep you at a safe distance from others when buying a ticket. We've increased train and station cleaning and introduced hand sanitising posts to give you more opportunities to clean your hands. We've also introduced one-way systems at our stations and installed over 34,000 floor markers to help keep you, our customers, at a safe distance at all times. On our trains, we're asking customers to buy their ticket before they board and to keep their distance from others whilst travelling. This helps us manage the capacity of our services. We ask that all customers follow our social distancing guidelines when travelling and are considerate to our staff at all times. Transport for Wales, helping you travel safer.